Good.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Yep.
All right, guys.
Lisa, did you know you were going to be on YouTube tonight?
Am I really?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll find a bow.
We're uploading it. She's single. Take a good look, everyone. Hello. Oh. Come on, go higher. You didn't tell me. That's cool.
I think the popo might show up.
That's cool. Wow.
Wow,
Oh, it's doing more.
that's a killer.
That should have been our grand
I
finale.
know, huh? I should have waited, but I was so excited. I'm terrible when it comes to fireworks. I could go for hours.
Well, okay, whatever this is.
Okay.
I'm just putting my finger in. Okay, now Lisa, it's Dee and Byron and Eric. And he's hiding. And we got Lydia. And Lisa's single. Did I tell you guys?
I'm
Lisa's
39 and single.
There you go.
Some dating site. I'm 39, I'm single.
Hey, it's you
No, I'm
too.
putting them on YouTube.
I like steak.
Steak and onions.
Yeah.
And we're celebrating my 55th birthday 2 days late.
And I fluff your pillow. Crack is whack.
This one isn't going to make noise, I bet. Is it showing up good in the camera?
Oh, excellent.
Good.
I mean, that's all you can see, but
That one's awesome.
Keep going, keep going. You can do it, you can do it. Yeah, good girl. Aw.
That was nice.
Yeah.
That was a good one, too.
ooh,
Just kidding. But what are you doing? Dang, you should have seen me at the skate park, dude.
Well, this is my
Left, dude, I rode like
angel one or something. We'll do that
Okay.
last.
4 or 5 6
Okay,
blocks.
that's a grand
Like, I'll
finale.
Or I don't know what this is.
And I was
What
like,
is
I was
it?
like,
I don't know.
Shit, dude. I found that
It
balance
is
point.
TNT.
Uh-oh, is that going to be a loud one?
TNT.
We're going to get the cops
Probably.
at Lisa's.
no, these are just,
I'm going to give you guys a bad
these are
rap
legal
now.
ones bought in the store.
Yeah, they're
Hopefully.
legal.
It's the M80s and the M60, whatever they are.
We're good, clean
Cherry
people
bombs.
here.
That's right.
Just like to have a little
This is the fireworks. And here it goes.
Okay, let's see what a TNT does.
snap, crackle, pop.
Oh, God, that scared me. I didn't know it was going to do that. It was, oh, you fizzled.
And that's the
Well, it went one, and that's it. Well, that was a ding ding. Oh, here's another something or other. She can read them.
All right, we're going to do some rain dance. We don't
Rain
need a
dance.
rain dance.
Rain
Sorry,
dance.
rain.
Maybe we should do that.
Yeah, a little late.
Oh, I did that one time, man. That tripped me out when it actually rained. I was just looking around.
Well, there you go. So
This is a non-fail rain dance because it's already raining.
This is the fireworks, and it's me, Evan, Diane, and Byron.
Yeah, your son hit Evan. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Diane.
Happy birthday to everybody.
Yeah, happy birthday to all of us.
Yep.
Oh, gee, that's
We just thank God we
Wait,
keep
Mom,
living
don't
every
say
day.
that one.
Oh, it's still fizzing. Look out,
Get
sweetheart.
back. You know better.
Yeah, let mommy do it.
Oh, somebody else blowing fireworks now.
What's this one?
This one is, oh, I almost split it. This one is, I don't know Chinese.
I don't know Chinese. Okay, we don't know
This one
Chinese.
is I do not know Chinese.
I don't know Chinese, that's the truth. Oh, look at it. Oh, come on. Oh.
No, wait!
Oh, it's the noisy one. Come on, keep going.
Mom, it says memory full.
Oh, I did 2 of them. Wow. Hey, that I don't know Chinese is pretty good.
That's not too bad. Not too
Mom, Mom, Mom,
bad.
can we stop for a little? Because I do not know Chinese.
I do not know Chinese.
No, wait, no.
This one's a bomb.
It's a
A
bomb?
bomb.
All right.
Mom,
Oh, it's one. It's a bomb.
Mom.
What?
It says memory full.
Oh, you gotta quit recording, then I gotta erase stuff. This one is called Cuckoo.
Cuckoo. Are we still going, Byron?
Yeah.
No, wait, Mom, should I?
No, I'm not stopping to delete stuff for free.
I do not know Chinese.
Uh-oh. What happened?
Went out.
Uh-oh.
What was the name of that one?
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo. It was Cuckoo.
Still.
Still burning in there.
Don't go near it. Is the rain putting it out?
Okay.
Come on.
Come on, baby.
You can do it.
Get another one ready.
Lisa's in the sprinkles. We're singing
Get
in
another
the
one ready.
rain. We're singing in the rain.
I'll try to see if I can find that thing for that.
What a gorgeous feeling. We're happy again.
Alrighty.
Now you gotta sing now. Singing in the rain.
This one is Jade Flowers.
Jade flowers.
Jade
Oh, that one will be pretty. I've seen those ones.
Oh, is this the 5-0?
Uh-oh, is it?
No.
That's all we need is get you into trouble.
I'm used to it. I'm a
This
bad
is
girl
the
gone
fireworks.
good.
A bad girl gone good?
Yep.
And now you're corrupting me? You're corrupting me. Come on, make some birdie flowers. You gonna make some noise? I tell you what, we shouldn't have mosquitoes tonight.
Oh no.
If the rain don't get them, the fireworks will.
Okay, let's sing a song.
Sing a song at 6 pence.
5 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in between. 5 days old.
Alrighty.
We only got 2 left.
Alright.
What's this one?
This one is Mach 3 fountain.
Ooh, that one's gonna blow.
Wow.
Is that one still going? Yeah.
Alrighty. Down and dirty.
Down and dirty. I'm gonna put it right here for right now, because I know it'll go out. And I'll put it in there later. Your little thing. Uh-oh, did it stop? No.
That's mine.
Oh.
Come on, where's the mock?
Yeah.
Mom, make a little noise.
So are you coming for Christmas?
Oh, look at that color, you guys.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that is pretty. I've never seen that color in one before. Wow.
Come on. Yeah, get some purple in there. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. That was
a good one.
that was a really
Yeah,
good
that was
one.
good.
I like that one.
It even made your light turn on.
Huh?
I said it even made your light turn on.
What in the back?
Yeah.
This is the last one.
Alrighty.
Unless you get that one going. And what's this one
This
called?
one is called Peace Flower.
Oh, this
In
is
spring.
peaceful.
This is
Wow.
the finale one.
Yeah, we should have done the mock one for the finale. And that
We don't know until after you burn them up.
no.
This is the grand finale.
Okay, this is for my Twitter and Facebook and YouTube friends. Oh, hear the thunder?
Thunder!
Ooh, that's pretty. I like all those pretty colors. Come on, higher. Oh, that's pretty. I like it when it flickers like that. Ooh,
Flicker when you're near.
ooh, that's pretty.
Flicker when you're higher.
Come on, keep going, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, we should have saved the mock one, but I
Oh,
wonder what this
yeah.
one is. And what do you mean you're gonna fix it? How are you gonna do that?
I'm going to try to fix it.
How do you do that?
I don't know.
Well, just don't get blown up.
I might.
Oh, jeez, thanks.
Nope, guess what, boys and girls?
What?
Good.
Wait, hold on a minute. What's going on?
Yeah, you can see our light turning on and off
Yeah.
and on and off. By the way, these are our neighbors. He came to visit today.
This is the fireworks.
They live at 1312.
Quiet.
I don't need no freaks.
Yeah. She'll have every man in the country driving up
This
there.
is we live in Houston, Texas.
Yeah, Houston, Texas.
1312.
Y'all come back now, you hear? Alright, I'm going to try this, guys. I did find a fuse, but I can't guarantee you.
What's turning our light on knob? Nobody's even
Fireworks?
over there.
The fire.
Yeah, but you haven't even lit it yet.
I don't know if it's going to work or not.
Nope.
Nope, I think...
Oh, maybe.
Yep.
Oh.
Thank you. See, I'm good.
There's the finale.
Yep, that's our finale. Good job, Lisa.
Look at the purple in that. Oh, man.
Red, green, yellow. Ooh. That should attract some spirits and angels.